The Citation 2 is one incredible helmet, and let's take a look at the quick release gear drive system that makes it super easy to switch shields. What really sets the Citation 2 apart from the rest is the state-of-the-art shield mechanism. The shield itself is made out of A-class polycarbonate that is scratch and UV resistant. Now to remove the shield, you're first going to want to make sure this clear tab on the shield itself aligns up with the triangle in the middle of the shield mechanism. So to do this, you're going to pull up on the shield until the tab and triangle are aligned, and then you're going to pull the lever out until you hear a click. Now it is recommended that you do one side at a time, so I'm going to completely disengage the shield mechanism, so just pull gently. And then once that side is done, you're going to do the exact same steps on the other side. Now since the tab and triangle are already aligned, all I'm going to do is pull the lever until I hear a click, and you're just going to pop it off gently. So now to apply the shield on the helmet, your first step is you want to make sure the gear drive point, so the point right there, aligns up with the triangle in the middle of the shield mechanism. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to push this up until these points are aligned. And then I'm going to take my shield, and we see that there is an indentation of the gear drive. So I'm going to place that over the gear drive. And then once I have it placed over, I'm going to take my free hand and pull the lever out so I can fit the clear tab in until I hear a click. So now we know this side is good. And I'm going to go to the other side and follow those same steps. And with the shield locked in place, you're ready to hit the roads. Visit ls2usa.com or a dealer near you.